What's up, traders? Welcome to another live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard. We will be doing a complete analysis today live, and also will be trading live in front of you. If there is any trading opportunity in this live stream, I will definitely share with you. This will be a great event. Make sure you stick till the end. And also, if you have any question, write on the chat box. I'll try to answer straight away. If you want me to cover any of analysis that you want, I can do it live in front of you to help you in your trading. So this is the goal of this live stream, is to help you in your trading and also to teach you how to take high probability trade. So make sure before I start, smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet, so that you don't miss out any of this that I release every single day, including like this live stream as well as analysis and educational content. So write down on the chat box so that I know. I saw that Mila already on the chat. Thank you for joining, Mila. And Coin Bureau, hello Chief, thank you Coin Bureau. I saw Shomon also on the chat, Siba on the chat. Coin Bureau ask for thank you for always bringing this session. Of course, Coin Bureau, Pawin, USD Max, sir. Yes, USD Mexican. We already took a trade on USD Mexican. I think Pawin has taken this trade, and also we have taken a trade on AUD CHF. So let's see first USD Mexican how it is going. I know that some of you may not be interested on USD Mexican, but quickly I'll go through USD Mexican. But first, let's see. Mark Palotti, good morning from Florida, USA. Thank you, Mark, for joining this live session from such a huge distance. We really proud to have a member like you. And Chuduttu, hello, thank you for joining. I apologize if I couldn't spell your name properly. Sometimes I face a bit difficult in pronouncing correct name. So let's see what's going on first of all with AUD CHF. Now this is the trade that we have just sent today to our VIP members, and we are currently running in some profit. But it's not that if you are not trading with us, it's not that I'm showing you how much money we are making. I don't want you to feel FOMO. Keep in mind, FOMO is a great killer of our trading account. Never experience FOMO. If you are with me in this live session, if you joined our VIP team or no, doesn't matter. If there is any trading opportunity comes on the way, I'll straight share with you. But keep in mind that this is only for educational purpose. By law, always I need to give a disclaimer. So let's see what's going on with the AUD CHF. Now AUD CHF could be a winning trade, could be a losing trade, doesn't matter. But let me explain why I have taken this trade, because this is the real thing that you need to learn as a trader. What is working with me, what is working properly could be working for you as well, or you can use this technique in your own trading. But let me explain why I took the AUD CHF trade, and then you'll know that the actual reason. So if you see the AUD CHF, this is the monthly chart. Okay, now you see this is the monthly candle, and now this month's AUD CHF basically broke the month's high, and then we see a rejection to the downside. Now what I think that AUD CHF, as you see that over the long term, it's a bearish market. Okay, so if you see this is the monthly chart, over the long term it's a bearish market. So let's see what's happening with on the daily weekly time frame. Now weekly, you saw that AUD CHF basically past week has created a strong rejection candle. Now this week, as soon as market open, it has gone for a retracement to the upside, and then we saw that AUD CHF currently pushing towards down. So let's see daily. Now this is where evoked me to take this trade, because you saw that this is the daily opening on AUD CHF. Let me push it a bit. This is our profit target around 2.1 to 2.5. That's how we trade. We need a bigger profit target then the loss, that's the real trading. Okay, so what happens, see, after market opens, AUD CHF opened with a gap. This is the first thing. Okay, second thing, you saw AUD CHF already created a double top, though it is not fully developed, but we saw a gap opening. And also if you see that AUD CHF overextended to the upside, and we could see that AUD CHF, this is the daily chart, at least to come to test this 20 period moving average, and it might even fall down to this level. Okay, so if it just fall back to it will hit our profit target, you know. So what confluences I used for AUD CHF, this is a reversal trade. Okay, is that you see the price, the main confluence that I use is the gap opening. So when you see a vertical move and then, you know, straight back, this is a high probability that it could reverse at any point. I could be wrong. No trader can trade without being wrong. So that's why you always keep a high risk to reward ratio. So let's say on the intraday or 4-hour time frame. Now this is the trade that I have taken or sent when this red candle is formed. Now about this price action, yesterday I have released an incredibly viral video. This video became incredibly viral. You can watch that. This video may not have the link, but I will put a link at the end of the session. You can find this video in my website. This is called the hidden secret of price action. So what did I say in that? See, AUD CHF basically broke this is the 4-hour time frame, broke this support here, you know, there is a resistance here, and with this red candle broke above and then closed with a strong bearish engulfer. And as soon as the market, you know, started with the new candle, the price went up, and I placed a pending order along this zone. I send it to our VIP members. So currently we are running around I think 7, 8, 10 p profit, but I sincerely believe that we will have a winning trade on this one. So this is the situation with AUD CHF. So at the same time, we have opened another trade on USD Mexican. So this is the trade on USD Mexican. Now let me explain quickly why we have taken the USD Mexican. Then I will go through all your requests. I saw that Bhuma on the chat, Chiditto, thanks for your work. Thank you, my friend, for staying with this channel. Baruch, Sir, Gbp USD. Yes, I will do all of them. Celebrity Lifestyle, hi, thank you for joining. Hi sir, is Varun from Bangalore, Calcutta, India. Thank you, Varun, for joining this live trading session. It's great to see you. All of you are here. 16, good day sir, thank you for your good work. Thank you. Rabi also says hello. So let's see. Yes, a Celebrity Lifestyle, ask me what question you have. So Bargi Makubon, hello everybody. Bargi from Africa. So that's great to see all of you are here. So let me quickly explain why it's a high probability trade, USD Mexican peso. So let me see, we have a bigger profit target definitely. So monthly, first of all, you see USD Mexican peso on the monthly time frame basically has created, you see, as clearly head and shoulder and broke down with a strong bearish candle. This is the USD Mexican peso, and as soon as the new market opened, we saw that the price broke the low and then went up for a retracement. Now you see that after this kind of rejection, we can expect further drop on USD Mexican peso. So quickly looking at the weekly, and a weekly previous week we saw a doji. So basically this is a retracement with this green candle. This current week the price went around 50% of this long week, and then we are seeing primarily rejection. So what I think that, let's see on the daily, which you can see clearly. Now you saw that this is the USD Mexican peso. On the daily time frame, the price basically hit this 20 period moving average, created a doji and followed by a strong bearish engulfer. Now this kind of bearish engulfer that I was talking yesterday in this video, if you haven't watched that, I suggest you to watch it. So pardon me, watch it, not wash it. Now currently after today market opens, we see that the price has basically created, in this is the 4-hour time frame, you see the price has created a double top formation here and broke down, tested with this red candle. Now when did I enter the trade? See, after this red candle I have entered the trade. Now why did I choose this candle to enter the trade? This is the main important thing you need to keep in mind. Let me clear this place. And then why did I enter after this red candle sell trade? First reason is, you see there is a double top. Okay, this double top in the 4-hour time frame. On the daily we saw it's a test of 20 period moving average, broke down, gone above, tested this level, and then now we can expect it to come back. So let me separate this. You see, this is what you need to look for when you see a reversal pattern. Okay, see double top. Okay, double top, tested of this double top support as a resistance, and then drop. Okay, so this is what happened with USD Mexican peso. And then this red candle is also a strong bearish angle for you. So it has crossed the previous candle's low, crossed the high, tested the this support as resistance, and I sincerely believe that it will drop a lot. So our profit target is 1 to 2. That means if we risk this much, 1% or 2%, we will gain 2% or 4%. So this is the situation with USD Mexican peso. These are the two trade that we have entered today. GBP we have entered, but we closed it break even because GBP was looking like could be bullish or could be bearish or sideways. So we have closed GBP break even without any loss, without any profit. So two trade running, AUD CHF, which is running profit around 8-9 pip, and USD Mexican, which is also running in profit. Now I will start GBP USD. In the meantime, if you want to join this team, there is a huge discount going on for Easter. Just couple of days, this discount may go away and then the price will rise. It's a rare opportunity, you will not find anywhere. Link in the description, you can check it out. So let's find out what's with GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD, you see exactly it did according to my Forex forecast. Go ahead and watch that, exactly what it is. See, the price came here, you see the previous support here, this is the 4-hour time frame, support here, test it as a resistance. Smash the like button now. This is Forex Wizard that I told you, Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. There is enormous value in this channel. This work is from heart. Okay, you see how it works. Sometimes I feel very thirsty when I do live streaming, so I just need to drink a little water. You can do that too. So let's see what's going on now with GBP USD. How can you enter a trade? Now GBP USD, this 4-hour candle will close on I'm in Sydney, so it's now 9:43 p.m. It will close at 11 p.m. So at the end of the stream will close around, will off around closing of this, nearly closing of this candle, and I'll let you know how you can trade GBP USD. At this point there is no trade. Okay, if you entered here, then good, otherwise there is no trade. I need to see what's happening over the next 1 hour around, and then I'll let you know how you can trade, how we will be trading. So make sure you stick till the end to make some money and also manage risk. Now before I progress further, make sure, as I told you, smash the like button. So what request we have? I saw many of you join coin borrow GBP USD. We have already analyzed. Euro dollar, sir. Yes, I will go to euro dollar. USD CAD Chidit to ask for. I'm currently shorting it. What's the realistic take profit target? Okay, we'll talk about it. I'll go all of them. Q joined. Hello, I'm here to learn. Q, thank you. It's a great channel for learning. all the time we are here. Kakulan, he is a great man. Everyone is great man. Kakulan also great man. I see he is very cooperative and good trader as well. So Kakulan, dollar yen, yes, Bhuma also. All of my people, all of you are really great. You know, I every day before I wait for this session to spend some time with traders. It's really great to have some time with you. Bhuma, thank you, sir. No problem. So Bhuma said Gbpusd, I'm running profit. Excellent, Bhuma. Thank you. So let's find out one by one. So we have seen in Gbpusd. Let's see what's happening with USD CAD, because Usdjpy all-time high and currently in very strong resistance. Kakulan, your sentence telling me that you are thinking for selling, don't do that. Okay, everyone's mind working that way, mine also, you know. So Kakulan says that Usdjpy all-time high and currently in very strong resistance. That means that Kakulan is trying to think that okay, it's high and resistance, let's sell it. Don't do that, because the price, when the price is such a big trend, it will not come like this. What it will do, you know, even if it is in a resistance, what it will do, I'll tell you. See, so when, let's say in a big uptrend, okay, and then facing all-time high on a resistance, right, then what it will do like this, you know, go up and then will come down, and then will go up and will come down like this, okay, like this. And before it you know why? Because when it is in a resistance all-time high, there is a lot of order already active. You know, we can't see, we can see only a candle, okay, only couple of candles, but these are basically orders. So when these orders are active, then what will happen, that these people, these orders will push the price high. But when these people will close, they need to close this order. And when they will close the order, then what will happen? The price, when slowly price will come down, again buyers will buy. It's because it's an uptrend. When people will close their buy order, the price will come down and the buyers will buy again. Again they will close, again they buy. So the price will do like this, okay? That's why don't think of buying in an uptrending market. So let me explain Usdjpy so that you know, okay, this is really strong uptrending market. Don't think of buying, selling, think of buying. What's it? See, this is the, I missed this trade, okay, I didn't see because I can't watch the trade all the time. You see, this is the one that I was talking yesterday in my video, okay, the viral video. Watch this, exactly this one. See, on an area of value, perfect trade, perfect buy trade. See, on an area of value, on a level of, there is a resistance here, okay, there is a resistance here, there is a resistance here, support here, the candle closed below and also cross below, closed above, engulfing the previous one completely. So that is the real education. No one even, you know, pay attention to this. So you are here, you learn this kind of secret. Now what I will be thinking in this instrument, let me explain. What I will be thinking is, see, back to back green candles, right? Let's say you saw one candle like this tomorrow, you see, like this. Let me explain. Let's say you saw one candle like this, okay, right? Another candle like this, all right, so it is not coming in the middle. Let me draw it, okay, one candle like this, another candle like this, okay, and then another candle like this, okay, then I will be buying from here, okay, then I will be buying like this, long from here, stop loss here, take profit maybe 1 to 5 or 1 to 3, okay, then let it go again up. Thinking of selling, buy it from the top. That is trading. Do it all the time. You will never ever be in loss, I promise. Do like this. When the price at the top, wait for a slow retracement. Let me give you a couple of examples. This is the real education. You become profitable today. Smash the like button now. Let me explain. See, a lot of examples like this. let me show you what I mean. Let me show you in the bullish market. Look at this one here. You see Aussie dollar, you see, went up, and see slow retracement. You see there is a narrow doji here, two dojis. Everyone is thinking selling here. Okay, USD broke out, sell. But the real trader who buy from here, you see, buy from here. Okay, buy from here. See what happened. If you just buy long, okay, long from the top, and then let's say you put your stop loss here, though it came down little, give a little space and see how much money you can make. Okay, how much? 1 to 16 times. Okay, so that's what you have to do. Buy from the top, sell from the bottom. Look at this one here. You see this doji, when price dropping with huge momentum, created a doji. Trading is psychology. Yes, Khalid, absolutely. Trading is all about your mind. Okay, it's a game of the mind. It's little, you know, about technical, more of your psychology. You need to hold the trade for the bigger profit. You know, if you lose couple of trade, let them lose, but when you win, hold it for a very, very long period of time. So let's see what euro dollar. Okay, now euro dollar and Gbpusd looks like going in the same fashion. Okay, so what I think that euro dollar, you see there is also a strong bearish engulfer in this zone. You see, this is the zone that I was talking about yesterday, and we saw that euro dollar just came into this zone. Let me draw this zone here. Okay, you see now creating a bearish candle, but it doesn't mean that it will drop from here. It could go up, but what I will be looking for, let me see the daily. You see what I think euro dollar is still bearish, and what I think that you see there is a resistance here. Let me draw this one here. You see this is the daily. There was a double top here and then broke down. Now it is basically testing this support as a resistance, and it could happen that I told you in my weekly forex forecast also, euro dollar might go up and test this and it will come down. So I strongly believe that this is the situation is happening with euro dollar. It might go up little bit, test this resistance and may drop, or it may drop from here. So we need to see how the price action is forming on the 4 hour. But I think that if on the 4 hour it creates a candle like this, it will go up again, maybe along this zone, and then will drop. So that's what I think on euro dollar. It's still bearish, because if you draw a channel here, you know, this is the channel. Euro dollar was dropping. So what you see that see the price is still within this channel, you know, and from this channel there was a break out to the upside. The price came down again, came inside the channel, and I think that euro dollar will slowly melt to the downside like this. So if this one closes as like a pin bar, then could be a trade from the top, keeping stop loss above this high, take profit 1 to 3, but keep in mind that it could go up again like that, you know, test this somewhere here and then drop down. So whatever the situation, but I think that let me see the weekly. Let me show you something. So there is a weekly resistance here as well. Let me draw it. So either it could, you know, drop from here on the daily resistance, or it might go up. So this is the daily and weekly same, and I think that the price will test this level, you know, this level, or already it is testing in this angle. If you let me draw it again, so either it will test this vertical level, or it is already testing this trend line here. See, so let's see what it is doing on the 4 hour time frame. If you are on live session, definitely I will update before I close this live stream. Smash the like button now, and also hit that red subscribe button. If you new to the channel, stick till the end. As soon as I will find any trading opportunity, I will let you know. Now look, GBP JPY, same situation as dollar yen. See, let me tell you how I will be looking to trade JPY. Now look at this back to back 4 hourly candle. There are 4 strong green candle, bullish engulfer, bullish engulfer, bullish engulfer. Never think of selling in this market unless you see like this. You see like this. See how you identify, as I already mentioned in dollar yen. Let me repeat that in JPY. See, this is a reversal pattern. You know, when do you think of selling in an uptrending market? When you see this candle, see, one big candle up, one big candle down, and then slow retracement, and then sell. Let me explain again. When you see an uptrend, suddenly you saw that breakout of this uptrend, one big green candle up, and then one big red candle like this or bigger than this down. Let me change the color. Okay, let's say like this. Where's the background? Anyway, one red like this, and then slow retracement, sell. Okay, that's a sell. When do you buy in an uptrend? Let's say you saw that price is going up, 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 and then instead of big candle, it is creating a slower, a smaller candle in this uptrend. Buy. You got it? I repeat it again. When you see uptrend, suddenly big candle like this one up, and then another one down, and then retracing slow, sell. When you see an uptrend like this, and then you saw that slower retracement like this, smaller doji, buy. It will go up again. That's how you need to read market. Some of the requests came for USD CAD. Samuel, we have already discussed. I'll go through again all of them. So yep, GBPUSD we have explained. I'll go back to all of them again. So let's see Euro CHF. Okay, now Euro CHF, you saw that the price is bearish. Okay, now today it is creating, after 53 minutes this candle will close. Let's say if this one closes like that, you see, if this one closes like this, the situation it is now, it's a sell. Okay, why? First let me explain on Euro CHF. If you see that there is a level of resistance here. Okay, so if you see there is a support here, there is a support here, there is a support here, tested here once resistance, tested here again resistance, and in this last test, though this candle is still 52 minutes remaining, there could be many things. It even could be a bullish candle, but if it closes like this, what is the significance in this candle? The first significance, it is creating a double top. You see, when the session is progressing, you will find more trading opportunity. So make sure you stick till the end. You see Euro CHF now creating a double top in an area of value with a candle that crossed the high, even crossed this high. That means it has grabbed some liquidity, hitting some stop loss, closing back below with a big momentum. So we might see that Euro CHF dropping. Now let's see higher time frame what is telling on Euro CHF, because when you see only the lower time frame, you may not be able to see the bigger picture. Always price moves according to the bigger picture. See monthly, go to the monthly. Now monthly, as I mentioned in my quite a few of my analysis, including my weekly forex forecast, you see that this is a monthly doji. Now when you see this doji, the previous one is a perfectly textbook bearish engulfer, the one that I discussed in my previous days the viral video. Watch that if you haven't watched it. It's called the hidden price action. Yesterday I released it, followed by a doji. Okay, so in this doji you see there is a long wick at the bottom, long wick at the top. So what does it mean? This long wick is representing the retracement to the upside of this candle, and this long wick represent the retracement of this upside for this candle. So that means that the price basically on the lower time frame did something like this. It's a healthy market structure, right? So now the price is here. Okay, the price is here and it is likely to drop. So Euro CHF is in a strong bullish momentum. Go back to the weekly. Now weekly we saw red candle is formed. This is a red bearish candle. Now one important thing we need to keep in mind, there is a strong a green candle in this red candle. The price went up. Now we might face a little bit of support here, but still it is bearish. You see, dodgy red. Now it is also pushing down. So weekly as well is bearish. Let's go on the daily. Now daily, you saw that the price already tested again this daily support as a resistance, but one thing is still a little bit confusion is that after closing this 4 hour, we will understand is that it didn't yet test this 20 period moving average. Sometimes the price like to test 20 period daily, 20 period, and then drops, but still from here high probability that Eurusdjpy likely to drop. So let's see on the 4 hour. As I told you, if this one closes as a healthy bearish engulfer, I will be thinking going short, though we are running already Eurusdjpy trade. But if I see further confirmation, always add to the winning trade. Never add a losing position. Add to winning position, reduce the losing position. That is the law of trading if you wanna make money from trading. So in the meantime, let's see what's happening with our AUD CHF trade. Now this is the one AUD CHF. As I discussed already today, we are running some profit, and I sincerely believe that it will be a profitable trade. But please don't experience FOMO. There is a lot of trade that you will find. You always need to let go some trade. If you don't find it, that's completely fine. And if you want to trade live like in our VIP team, then there is a considerable discount going on due to the Easter, and this discount may be ending soon. So limited spot, grab the link in the description. It's a rare opportunity. You see, this trade is going to be hopefully a winner, and we are running USD Mexican peso as well, and I think that this one also is going to be a winner because it's a high probability trade. So let's see what else is going on. What pairs, what request we came. Khalid, you are great. Thank you, Khalid. Thank you for your compliment. Keep the good things. Thank you for your help. You guys are here, that's why I feel motivated. So without you, I am also I may not feel motivated. So what do you think, gold, sir? Yes, it's a very important that we need to jump on gold now. BTC USD, sir, falling knife. Okay, let's see what happened. Is that session will be saved? Yes, Khalid, all the live session will be in the channel. If you can't watch anytime, you can watch it. It will be there all the time. I mean recorded. Yes, Khalid, it is recorded in the past. Also, you can check how incredible it was. The last session was viral. A lot of people watch over the weekend, I have seen. And that's really great. You guys are really finding value in this. Khalid, hi, so I'm using price action and Ikomoku. Yeah, that's great. So Charles, NZD/USD, let's find out what's happening with NZD/USD, and then we'll go to some crypto. Let's see what's happening with BTC, Ethereum. So let's find out what's happening with NZD/USD. Okay, where is NZD? Okay, so let's see what's happening. Okay, NZD/USD and AUD/USD basically is following the same pattern. Let's see daily. Okay, so daily NZD/USD basically it was in an uptrend, but this pattern now is a bearish. Okay, let's see weekly. Now weekly, first of all, over the long term, if you see the weekly trend is down. This previous week the price broke all this high, close below, and I think that NZD/USD will drop a little further, maybe to this level on the weekly. So it is still bearish on the lower time frame as well. Let's see daily. Daily today the price didn't move much, so but I think that you see there is a daily resistance here. With this, you saw on the daily time frame the price has created a double top formation and then broke, and I think it might go up to test this daily, you see, daily support here as a resistance, and also there is a 20 period moving average, and then likely to drop further. So NZD/USD on the daily as well is bearish, but I think it might go, let me draw the okay, so I think that it will go for some time to the upside. That's what I mentioned in my analysis today in AUD/USD as well. So the price may come to test this support as a resistance and also 20 period moving average, and then this is the high area of value that I will be thinking for selling NZD/USD. So let's find out. So this is the zone that selling from here could be, but I don't like to sell from here. I want to see that it has done enough retracement to the upside, and then from here I will be selling, because the price already dropped a lot. So we need a healthy retracement on NZD/USD. So let's find out what else going on. Let's see BTC/USD. Now, okay, Bitcoin is dropping, so let's see monthly. Okay, so monthly BTC/USD is pushing down. So there is a monthly support here we need to keep in mind. So at any point we might see a push to the upside as well. So crypto is very now unpredictable. So you saw that in BTC/USD it created a double top, extended, this is created a false breakout, now we see down. So what it could do, BTC/USD, you see, there is a let me draw this one here. So this is the daily chart, and if you see that there is a trend line here, okay, and I think that BTC/USD will drop to this level of trend line, will create some kind of pattern like this, and will go up again. So it will go in a channel. Remember, price never moves in a straight line. Okay, so this is the daily time frame, and I think that BTC/USD will create this channel and it will move in this fashion. So if this one comes at, let's say, 39,000 or 38,000, a good point for buying. At this point, buying, selling is not a good idea. I'll be waiting for BTC/USD to fall back to this level to create some kind of pattern, then I will buy. I have already quite good investment on crypto. I love crypto, but I don't trade short. I sometimes send good trade signals, but I love to hold the trade, hold as an investment. So BTC/USD, I will be investing if it comes to this level. So this is the my takeaway on BTC/USD. So let's see Ethereum. So BTC/USD basically and Ethereum is doing the same thing. So I think that Ethereum also, this is what I mentioned in my weekly Forex forecast as well. I think Ethereum also will come to this level. You see, slowly will come to this level and will test here. This trend line will create a consolidation and then will start to move. And I think that it will move basically along this channel, creating this channel, because the price, the price will never move like this. Okay, will never move. Let me draw this one. Will never move like this. Okay, the price move like this, go up and come down, go up and come down like this. So that's a healthy market movement, and we need to accept it. Okay, so let's jump onto gold. It's a very important instrument. Now we see that as I mentioned in my weekly Forex forecast, the price is doing exactly what it is. Smash the like button. What did I say? That the price, this is the daily chart. If we see the lower time frame, the price likely to come down to test this previous resistance here as a support, and the price did exactly what it is. Now we saw that strong bull move. So when to trade gold? You see, the gold is now facing this resistance. Let me draw this here. So gold is facing this 4-hour level resistance, and as soon as this resistance will be broken to the upside, I need to see slow retracement like that, and then I will send trade signal to my VIP members. If I find proper entry point on gold, buy only at this point, no selling. Smash the like button, and also there is a discount going on, as I told you. the link in the description. You can check it out. There's worth checking it. So let's find out what's going on with euro, what other pairs. So what we see that AUD USD, sir. Okay, let's see, we'll look at AUD USD. Didn't hit my sell limit entry. Should I still enter sell? AUD USD didn't. So I don't know where you put your sell entry, but let me check with AUD USD. Chidin to ask, it didn't hit his sell entry. So I think that AUD USD might go little bit up from here, and I think, let's see daily. Okay, so I think AUD USD will go little further to the upside to this level, you know, even if not today, maybe tomorrow. There is a support here. I need to see that it is basically creating a bearish pattern from here for selling short AUD USD, basically to create a possible head and shoulder. On the other hand, keep in mind that this is a long term is like daily bullish market. So in case the price come to this trend line, and I think that the AUD USD will do like that. You see there is a trend line here creating a level of support, level of support, level of support. Now if the price managed to come to this level of support again, that time I will consider buying AUD USD with a high risk to reward. Otherwise I will be consider selling, because I think that high probability AUD USD will drop to this level. So let's see on the 4 hour how we can find a sell opportunity. So I think AUD USD by today or tomorrow will rise a little bit, will test this bunch of dodges, almost 4 dodges, and I think that the price even will cross this high, this doji, and then will drop, and that is where good possibility to enter a trade. Again, let me draw this zone. So I think that AUD USD will come back to this zone, because this is the weekly support here. This is the weekly support. If you see the weekly chart, you will see this is the weekly support, and the price will come here to test this as a resistance. And that time, if we see a selling candle, we will consider selling AUD USD. Smash the like button now, and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So USD CAD, Samuel asked, let's go back to USD CAD again. Let's see what's happening with USD CAD. Now as I told you, USD CAD looks bullish. USD getting very stronger. After 37 minutes this candle is going to close, and if you see, it has already created also an inverted head and shoulder. First thing. Secondly, there is a strong bullish candle, and I am now buyer of USD CAD. If I enter a trade, I will be buying. I have to see further confirmation, but USD CAD is bullish. So let's see weekly. Now weekly, we saw that after this doji here weekly, the price is pushing high, and we might see in the first move USD CAD is moving to this zone, to this level. So let's see how it looks like on the monthly. Now monthly, you saw the price came here and then aggressively pushed to the upside. So yeah, USD CAD, let me draw all this level. There is a monthly resistance here and also monthly resistance there. So let's see weekly. Okay, this is the weekly, and let's see daily. Okay, so daily, you see there is a, it's still not closed, but I think that daily is trying to create a bullish candle. Now if this one closes as a bullish candle like that, it could give us a buying opportunity. So let's see 4 hour, and you see there is a news release on USD CAD. Let me check. So CAD and USD 14th Thursday 12 p.m. that means the third Wednesday night in Sydney. So there is a news release on USD and CAD, and keeping that in mind, I think that USD CAD likely to go up. So I will think of buying. Let me see how this candle is closing. It's a bullish signal, but not from here. So the price may drop again, let's say to this level, because there is a double doji. First of all, you see there is a double doji, and then this one is creating a bullish pattern. So it's so far it's buy. Let's see how it candle closes. So if it closes above like this, then I will be I'm showing you, but it's not a investment advice. It's just for educational purpose. If you take this trade, do your own diligent analysis and do your own research. So if I need to take this trade, then I will take USD CAD like this, at least 1 to 2. This could be a trading opportunity for USD CAD. As long as this candle closes as a bullish candle, I will place a pending order here and I will buy USD CAD. Smash the like button. As I told you, this is not an investment advice. Don't think that Forex Wizard is right most of the time. He is a magician, and let's do a full risk of the account so that tonight I can buy the Lamborghini. Don't do that. Forex Wizard also sometime get wrong. If I get wrong, your account will bleed. So if I am right, you make money. If I am wrong, don't blow your account. That's the advice that I can give, but this is not an investment advice. This is just for educational purpose, teaching you how to trade. Education by law, I need to give a disclaimer. So this is the situation with USD CAD. Smash the like button now if you haven't done yet. Also subscribe to the channel. This is the #1 channel on YouTube. See, if you have seen my hidden price action video yesterday, exactly perfect example. See, this is real trading. No one will be able to teach trading like that. Check out all other channels, all other this is the real trading channel, okay? Because as I told you, I learned in a very, very hard way, painful way. The things that come from pain creates the real result. Let's see what's happening, because trading, the most trader fail because of the fear. And fear comes from the limbic brain, the back brain that we have, the limbic system. And this brain doesn't understand either you want to be successful or not. This brain only protect you. This back brain, this emotional brain, is only help you to protect. So when you lose money or you hit a stop loss, your brain triggers a fear response inside you. And as I told you, because of the hardship in my life in the past, I lost fear completely. I'm not afraid of anything at all, trust me. And that is give me the strength to trade. So overcome fear, be brave, don't worry. Back to back 3 trade hit stop loss. 4th one, you say that I will hold it until I take 5 times profit. I am not afraid of hitting stop loss, okay? And then your brain, this emotional brain that want to protect you, will get a signal that it's okay to lose money. Then you will become a trader. Because the way we are grown up, the culture, the school, the way we are grown up, we are discouraged to make mistake. And that's why we feel ashamed or nervous when you make a mistake. But as a matter of fact, this guy Thomas Edison, who invented the light bulb, he made 1000 failed experiment before discovering the light bulb that we see now. Now he was asked that you made 1000 failed experiment. He answered that I didn't make 1000 failed experiment. To reach that place, I needed to climb 1000 steps. Like this. You are losing money is not because you don't know trading, is because this is the way of trading. This is the way of being a trader. no one can become a trader without losing money, and then it's okay to lose money. Just keep in mind that don't go to the dead end. That means that don't go to the place where you cannot come back. Risk small, lose money, it's okay. Okay, you let your brain to be resilient, let your brain to think that even you lose money, it's not a threat, because our brain responds with a threat or a, friend like that. So if you hit couple of stop loss, you start to make bad decision. So that's why gold is bullish. So let's see next what happened. Let me know what you are thinking. The Forex said Gbpusd, please. Yes, we discussed Gbpusd. We'll do again. Dollar yen, Madhu said, thank you, Madhu, for joining this session. Let's see dollar yen, Gbpusd. That means GBP yen, dollar yen, same situation. So as I told you, this is a nice bullish signal, okay, but not entering from here. So what you will be doing is I'll be waiting for a slow retracement to the downside, okay, for a couple of dodges like this, and then buy. Let me tell you exactly what do I mean by this. Let me give you an example so that you know next when even not I'm in a live stream, you understand what I mean. See, look at this one here. Let me show you a couple of examples. See, look at this one here. There is a big move, and see the retracement. You see couple of dodges, couple of dodges, couple of dodges, and then when it started to go up, buy. That's how you will be. That's how we will be trading. Okay, keep in mind, trading is not suitable for everyone. It's not an investment. But look at this one here, strong bullish market, slow retracement, 2 dodges, and buy from here, okay, with a narrow stop loss, 5 times, 10 times profit. Then you will never lose money in your trading. So let's see what's happening with the next session. So let's see our USD Mexican peso, how it is going. So it's going still in profit, so we'll definitely run it. So let's find out on AUD CHF as well is running in profit. So these are the pairs that we have discussed quickly. Let's see what other pair is working. Let me know what else you are thinking. Let me check what I have to discuss. I think that most pairs we covered. Let me know if there is anything else that I should cover. We are almost at the end of the session. So let's say GBPUSD again to see what's happening. Now GBPUSD tested this. It's after 27 minutes. It's closing. But what I think that from here the price will go up again, create a lower high, and then likely to drop. So that is what's happening, but it's not a full trade signal. I want a bit better signal, so I have to look at, but I'm more biased on USD CAD rather than anything else. That's the situation. So let's see what's happening with other pairs. GBP CHF also, you see GBP CHF is coming down now, creating a bearish engulfer. GBP CAD went above. Okay, I think that GBP CAD should take you out of the trade point because it has already came to our entry. So GBP CAD, we are out of the trade. That's great. And GBP USD is creating a bearish candle. So USD CAD is going to be bullish so far. Let's see what's happened. And this is the situation with all this pair. Euro dollar, as expected, pushing down. Euro CHF creating a bearish engulfer, and that's the situation. So let's see what happened next. I will update you as soon as I find new trading opportunity. Let me know in the chat section. Euro AUD asked by Mila. Usdjpy reached 5 years high. Is it likely to fall now? See, everyone was thinking selling USDJPY. Think of buying USDJPY. Kardik also asked the same question. Kakulan, yes sir, I closed with few loss. Why did you lose? The price came below our entry. So don't lose, always be patient. So let's see what happened with Euro AUD. Let's see, it's okay Pawin, we'll make money. So let's see Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD, let's see daily. Okay, Mila, it looks like Euro AUD, let me check. It's overall bearish, but I think, okay, I think Euro AUD might go little bit up, let's say along this zone, or might not go. Let me see daily. Okay, so it might test this 20 period moving average, Mila. It could. So I will not trade Euro AUD for now. You see the price already broke this doji pushing high. So if I draw this, so this is, you see this level, if the price goes up here, you know, goes up here and create any reversal pattern, then I will be thinking of selling Euro AUD. For now I will not be trading because overall it is a downtrend, okay, but the price now pushing high, so I will not be buying. It's a downtrend, so I'll be waiting for a sell entry in this position, not from here, after I see some kind of, you know, a price action that confirms reversal, and also at the same time we can say that it might be in this trend line. Okay, so it could happen that Euro AUD will fall along this trend line. Okay, so let's see what happened. I think that it will do something like this. Pound, thank you. That's the Godmother, Godmother. What's your total PNL? Okay, for today. Okay, we'll discuss later because I am also at the end of my session. So let me quickly tell you about Gbpusd. One of you asked about Gbpusd is still holding short. Thank you, Nizam. No problem, Mila. Keep doing. So Gbpusd, don't think of selling unless you see a clear reversal, because dollar yen, I think the question was about dollar yen, that all-time high. Okay, even all-time high, it's a strong bullish market. I will not say that it will not reverse. It could reverse, but what it could do, that if as I told you, it will depend on what kind of price action it is creating. I can't say that it's all-time high, let's sell. Okay, I can't say that it's all-time high, let's buy. I need to see how next couple of candles is forming. If I see slow and steady retracement, buy. Okay, if I see a big move up and then big move down and then slow retracement, sell, as I told you before. So that's what I do. I read the price action in the same way and then I smash the like button. Okay, that's what I do. So that's the situation with all the pairs that we are trading. Hopefully enjoyed this trading session. At the same time, AUD CHF is dropping along the direction of our trade, and if you want to join, the link in the description, discount going on, don't miss the opportunity. AUD CHF, we have a good profit target, and I sincerely believe that we will be winning this trade because this one is a high probability. Created a double top here, broke down, retracement, again broke down, created a consolidation, another push to the downside, and I think that AUD CHF will come to this level, but before this we will profit at least 1 to 2.5. Don't experience FOMO. As you can see that every day I'm discussing the trading opportunity in this channel for free also, so there is always something for you to take. But make sure smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, and keep in mind that this is not an investment advice, it's just for an educational purpose. By law, I need to give a disclaimer. Thank you for watching. If you trade, manage your risk all the time. Okay, Khalid and couple of you ask for a question. Khalid, what is the best time frame? Okay, Khalid, that's a very good question to judge. Okay, Ashok Suman, gold please. Ashok, already we discussed gold is bullish now. We need to wait for a retracement for buying opportunity. So Khalid asked a very important question: what is the best time frame to trade? Keep in mind, best time frame is depending on you, what kind of trader you are. So if you are a swing trader, 4-hour daily is better. If you are a day trader, you can trade on 5 minutes, 15 minutes. If you are a weekly trader, maybe you can trade on the weekly as well. So it depends on what you want, what's your goal. But to me, 4-hour is my best time frame. 4-hour, it's a higher time frame. At the same time, there is a lot of trade in it. I even can scalp on 4-hour, trust me, because 4-hour time frame I watched so many long hours that on the 4-hour I even can scalp. Okay, because this pattern is very good for me, and also daily is also good time frame for me. Okay, so this is the situation with all of this. It's really good to have some time with you. Thank you for joining this live trading session. Mark Alutia said that triple bottom on AUD CHF. Mark, don't worry about bottoms. We are triple bottom or triple top. What did you say? I don't know. But AUD CHF is going along the direction of our trade. Smash the like button. See, the profit is going on. Let me draw it, and hopefully you will enjoy the profit. If you want to join, link in the description. Easter holiday sale going on. It's for limited time. Make sure if you want to join, check that out. Thank you, and that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the same time. Make sure you stay and hit that bell notification. As soon as I release anything, you notified. And also don't forget to watch my viral video that I released yesterday, and I will be releasing every single day. Thank you. See you soon. Code emerges. Total profit, please. Okay, last week we made 7.5% profit. Incredible return. This week started with profit. Let's see what happened next. Thank you. See you soon. Thank you, Mark.